Alright, so have you ever wanted to make a simple, delicious and high protein breakfast? Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pancakes. So here are the ingredients you will use. I have pancake flour, liquid organic milk, eggs and butter. You can use oil if you prefer, but butter adds a wonderful flavor, especially if the pancakes are for kids. So I start by beating my eggs to a smooth form. Of course, you should know that the number of eggs you use will determine the quantity of pancake you will get, right? Next step is adding 1 cup of liquid milk to my mixture and stir very well. This is followed by adding 2 cups of pancake flour. After adding the flour, you'll have to increase the stirring. Of course, you know you're adding powder to a liquid, so you have to make sure that it doesn't form a seed. Well, my goal here is to make sure that the kids get 98% of protein from this very diet. Yes, I said 98. So back to my stirring. I stirred this for like two minutes. Yeah, exactly 2 minutes to make sure that the pancake flour does not form seed with my egg. All right, so to start with, I will have to spread the butter on the bottom of my frying pan. Make sure that you touch the butter on every part of the frying pan so that your pancake will not burn. Then using my spoon, I put in my mixture inside my frying pan, allowing the mixture to stay for like 8 to 10 seconds. During this process, you have to reduce the heat of your burner so that your pancake will not burn. I have to wait for like 8 to 10 seconds, after which I will turn the other side of the pancake to also cook. So this is how I will keep on turning the sides of the pancake till you're sure that they're well cooked. So this is what I'm going to do to this pancake. I'm going to toss it up front and back. Though it's so easy, this is the most simplest breakfast I've ever made. So thank you all, especially to my subscribers and to you all who watched this video to the end. Do not forget to like, share and leave a comment. And keep visiting this page for more tips on how to remain healthy. Stay healthy because your health is very important to us. Thank you for watching. Till next week. God bless. Bye.